Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to create a successful digital marketing strategy from scratch. Are you ready to dive into the world of digital marketing? Creating a successful digital marketing strategy might seem daunting, but fear not, I've got you covered. We'll break it down into simple steps that anyone can follow. The first key to a successful digital marketing strategy is understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they like? What problems can your product or service solve for them? Once you have a clear picture, you can tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Next is to set clear and achievable goals. Do you want to increase website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Having specific objectives will help you measure your success. Next is choosing the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Identify where your target audience hangs out and focus your efforts there. It's better to excel on one platform than to spread yourself too thin. Next is creating high quality, relevant content. It is essential, whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, your content should resonate with your audience and provide value. Next is you need to be consistent. Consistency is crucial in digital marketing. Regularly post content and engage with your audience. It builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. Now, don't forget to measure your results. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your progress. If something isn't working, be ready to adapt and try something new. And that's it. You now know how to create a successful digital marketing strategy from scratch. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience, setting clear goals, choosing the right platforms, creating valuable content, maintaining consistency, and adapting as needed. Before we wrap up, here's a golden nugget of advice. Patience is your best friend in digital marketing. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful strategy. Stay persistent, keep learning, and watch your digital presence grow. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a successful digital marketing strategy from scratch. See you on my next video.